Pix Transmission. Well, this stock has touched some new levels of its stock price. So definitely it deserves a full analysis. So in this video, I am going to do the complete analysis of Pix Transmission and we will get to know if this is a worthy investment for us or not. We will go to the fundamentals first and see how strong its fundamentals are, and then we'll go to the price action and decide if the timing will be right for entry or not. So all of these things will be discussed in this video. Please make sure to watch it till the end, and also remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks with your own risk only, right? So with that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Pix Transmission and this is the official website, and you can see it is mainly producing belts, industrial belts, automotive belts, agricultural belts and all those things. That's why the name transmission. Okay, so here we can see the different categories of belts that it is producing. So I will share this link in the description section. Please go through it and get to know more about it. Now let's go to the fundamental side and see how strong its fundamentals are. Okay, so the current price of this stock is 2085 with a market cap of 2840. Okay, debt to equity ratio is fantastic at 0.07, current ratio 4.98, fantastic. 3 years average sales growth is little bit on the lower side, 9, and 3 years profit growth also on the lower side. Okay, but capital employed is good. Okay, operating profit margin is also good, and operating profit margin annualized is also a good number, 24.44, and you can see it is highest in this industries. Okay, now Altman Z score at 9.59 is a good number. Promoter holding 61.82 is also a good number. But the most important thing that is needed for a stock to succeed is the growth. Okay, so we'll consider last 4 years of data. Okay, so let's see how strongly it has been growing. So the sales have gone up from 449 to 486, then 493, then 545 in the trailing 12 months. Operating profit 115 to 105. Here there is a drop, and that is mainly due to the drop in operating profit margin. But again it went up to 120 crore, then 147. So again there is increasing operating profit margin. So hell, we can say steadily it has been maintaining an operating profit margin of above 20 to 22%, which is a good number, I would say. Okay, and we can see in the last 3 quarters the earning per share has also gone up from 47.57 to 61.91, then 84. Okay, this is a good sign. Now let's go to the shareholding pattern and see how strong the shareholding pattern is. So we can see that the promoters are holding 61.82% of the stock. Okay, for a long time. Okay, around that number, and it was 61.78 earlier, so it is almost the same. Okay, FIs have dropped some amount here in the last quarter from 0.33% to 0.26%, and DIs have dropped a significant amount from 5.23% to just 0.22%. So they have completely sold almost 5%. So this is one of the major concerns about this stock. Okay, this is the one, in fact I would say this is the only major concern, because it is almost debt free. Okay, 0.07 is the debt to equity ratio that we just checked, I believe. Yes, 0.07. so all those things are fine, but the DIs have sharply reduced their stake, but that is not the end of the story. Okay, in the coming quarters they might increase. Why do I feel like that? Let's see in the price action. Okay, so this is the price action and this is the weekly chart, and you can see if we take this as the weekly high, you can see multiple attempts have been made to break this high, but every time it failed. But finally this week it succeeded. It gave a big gap up. Okay, and the closing is here. Okay, I mean the daily closing. We have to wait for the end of the week to see where the weekly close happens. Okay, but even if we consider daily close, we can see the volume bar is also looking good here. Okay, volume bar is good. So if I go back to the weekly time frame, then definitely it has broken some of the major resistance level, and it is starting to go up. Now let's check the the momentum indicators. What do they say? Okay, so RSI is telling us that the stock has now sharply gone up above the 60 level, clear indication of an uptrend. What does MACD say? MACD has given a crossover as well here with big bar already coming up. So definitely it is also saying the same thing, that the big uptrend is on its way. Now let us see which moving average has the support. So if I use 40 weeks moving average, that is the 200 days moving average, we can clearly see signs of strength. Okay, and also if I highlight these two candles, we are seeing one bullish engulfing candle. Okay, all this sign clearly tell us that the stock is heading for a big move. Okay, and the stock price could continue to go up from here. But one thing we have to be careful, that as it has given a gap up, the gap might be filled, although it is trading currently at 2091 at the time of recording, but it could come down all the way up to this 1650 or we can say 1700 level. So for now we have to keep this stock in our watch list and see its upcoming price action in coming days and week, and once it becomes stable on this over this level 1700 level, then definitely it's a clear sign of strength, and we can consider investing in Pix Transmission. Okay, so that is the overall outlook on Pix Transmission. You can definitely keep this stock in your watch list. It is a debt free company and it has a unique business. Okay, and it could be the market leader in this belt industry. So please do some research yourself and you will get to know more about this stock. And also the price action is clearly saying that a big move is coming, and a significant move has already happened, okay, this week itself. And let's see if in the coming days and weeks it is giving a correction and coming to the 1700 level, or it is staying there itself and continuing to grow up. Okay, so that is what we have to see. Keep this stock in your watch list, and I will definitely make an update video on this stock in the coming days. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already, and if you are already a subscriber, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.